regardless sokuliphizwe, as long as uyi-foreigner ungena eSouth Africa ngendlela esemthethweni asinankinga nawe, because we believe ukuthi countries akhandwa vele ngokubambisana. So if someone is coming in the country ngendlela right, asina problem nalo muntu loyo. But Action SA where inenkinga khona, sinenkinga mbomvu nomuntu ongena eSouth Africa engenamvume aphinde ahlala akhululeke engenamvume. Ingakho our fight kakhulu sibhekisa kakhulu lapha ku Home Affairs ku immigration officers, ngoba iqala lapha indaba ku border management. So then I protest yethu is around nje ama illegal foreigners. La asikhulumi kuphela ngoba kunale notion yokuthi makhuluma ama illegal foreigners ukhuluma kuphela ngabantu base-Africa. Anyone ongeyena owala South Africa ongenamvume is illegal foreigner. Simple as that. So whether you are white, you are Indian, you are colored, you are Pakistanis, you are one of the from African countries, it doesn't matter. As long as ungeyena owala South Africa futhi ungenamvume, as Action SA we are saying asibadinga abantu abanjengalabo in our country, because by being in South Africa you already committing a crime ngokuthi awunamvume, because umthethosisekelo wethu uclear ukuthi uma South Africa ungenamvume usucommit crime. Yingakho ke our march ethu ehambisana nokuthi we are calling for law enforcement ukuthi cha phela ak-enforce umthetho, i-constitution yethu ayikwazi ukuhlala sibukele nje, ngoba there are so many implications mbomvu wokuba nabantu aba South Africa abangenayimvume. For example mbomvu, ukuba ningi kwabo in our country kudrain ama resources ethu kanjani na. Labantu abacountiwe uzokhumbula ukuthi i-budget ye-country is done based on i-population esuke icountiwe u-state South Africa. Now ne-budget yakomasipala is done nge-population ekhona komasipala. Now umuntu o-illegal akakountwa ndawo. Now i-budget yeyibhedlela ama-clinic nezikole is done based on i-population. Now uma usunabantu in the country abaningi abangenayo imvume yokuba sezweni, kusho ukuthi abantu abasangena eclinic noma ezikoleni awusakwazi ukuba counter. So ngamanye amazwi i-budget usuyi-allocated ayisakwazi ukunela. Ingakho siba nenkinga yemithi eshodayo ey'bhedlela, ingakho siba nenkinga yey'bhesi ey'koleni ngoba sebaningi abantu who use these facilities. Ingakho-ke mbomvu uma uzobheka i-Action SA, before even we go to parliament, we were calling for ama-amendment ku-constitution. Now mbomvu ngithole nje kabi manje asayitho document yami la, I made ama-submission personally on behalf of Action SA kathi kuvulwe iwindi loku-amend i-constitution. Part of those amendments mbomvu kwakuyukuthi as Action SA we are saying ama-rights to education and health awangabi nje open to everyone, ngoba njengamanje constitution ithi everyone have a right to healthcare and education. We are saying i-constitution ayi-amendwe ilimit ama-right, ithi South Africans have a right to education and health, hayi everyone. Because once you say everyone, then it become a problem, ngoba kusho ukuthi no country yethu illegally une-right, and ama-organization la mele amalungelo abantu ama ngaleyo ma-clause lawo i-constitution kuma-bill of rights. Hence as Action SA we are saying let's amend the constitution, but let's hope mbomvu ukuthi other parties will support these amendments. Unfortunately some politicians, political parties, they talk about these things during a campaign, but when kunewindi look amend the constitution angaze ngizwe some of these parties ukuthi athini ngama-amendments. Mina can confirm mbomvu ukuthi yena we did ama-submission. I even received a response from a committee ukuthi they've received my submission on behalf of Action SA. So meaning I can confirm ukuthi we made ama-submission to amend the constitution, to amend our bill of rights, to limit our rights angabi nje extended to everyone. So ilokho ke Mbomvu as Action SA esimi khona ukuthi asicwasi ukuthi akube umuntu omnyama kuphela illegal foreigner. Anyone who's in this country, they are Chinese Mbomvu. Ukwenza example, kune motion esifake kwi council last council meeting. Le motion ibithi akube ne special unit within metropolis ezobhekana ngqo nama illegal foreigners, specifically kakhulu lana ahijack amabhilidi selling ama drugs. So now uyabona ke lapho Mbomvu mokhuluma abantu abahijack amabhilidi, there are so many Chinese who now occupy properties eThekwini. We don't know whether they're illegal or not, but I can tell you, Uguti, I suspect some of them are illegal. So meaning, when you talk of illegal immigration, I'll talk about Africans, Pella. We'll talk about everyone who's here illegally. So that's why we stand in Mbomvu Section SA.
Siyabonga kakhulu kubhuti uzwakele Mncwangu we-Action SA sesilahlekelwe uZandile mfowethu Nkwali. Ngikubona ugqoke impahla ze-MK. I-MK bathe umkhulumeli wabo endabeni ze-Home Affairs uSihle Joel Ngubane oyilunga leParliament. We cannot then be able to entertain you egameni le-MK ungeyena umkhulumeli we-MK.
Ngiyabonga bambonga, ngibonga kakhulu, ngibingelele kubaba uMncwangu.
Mbonga asifaki mfowethu imibuzo la sino baba uMncwangu umkhulumeli we-Action SA, sibe no Jacinta, sibe no Zandile weDudula. Angeke njengoba ufake imfaniswana yeqembu nje sikuthatha njengomuntu weqembu mfowethu, and ubungeyona ingxenye yepanela kabi isikhathi sembuzo ungadinwa. Kushuthi bakufake nje ngephutha qhawe ngoba mabezofaka wena manje kushuthi kuzofanele sifake nabanye, kanti sicela njengamanje ama-panelist enze izethulo zawo athi mayeseqedile la ke khona sesizokwazi ukuthi si-entertaine eminye imibuzo. Ngiyabonga mfowethu, ungadinwa Nkwali. Upho Zandile. Kunzima mawusuku usebenza nabantu abangenaso isikhathi abahleze bephuthuma. Silahlekele uZandile manje abanye isikhathi abasigcini. Kade kuthiwa wena ungasigcini isikhathi mfoka Mncwangu. Ngibona sekuwona ekugcinile. Basho njalo la kwathiwa awusigcini isikhathi. Bantu bathi because sizama ukuthola la ukuthi sibona abantu sebeyigroup abona sekuyinto esiyinoma ukuthi abantu bakithi kube yibona sebevimbe ebhedlela abazama ukulwisana nalento. Uthini umthetho sisekelo wezwe? Ufanele yini ukube kwenzeka kanjena na? Umbuzo esinawo loyo. So sifisa ukuthi silekeleleke siyisizwe ukuthi ilwiseka kanjani lento. Wese uZandile wanyamalala manje. uZandile akekho, uJacinta akekho, Mavava akekho, uNgizwa akekho. Into ongabusazi zoyithini le. Sekumfoka lokhuzana yedwa uJobe weABC akekho. Okay. uJobe, Jacinta, uZandile, Baba uMncwangu, omama laba njalo akusho ukuthi amagama nje abo kunama title ngemuva. Mavava, okay. And we seem not to be getting any comfort from the others. Asazi noma bakhona, asikaze phela sidile nabo akulula ngisho ukuthi sibathole. Siyaqala abanye ukudila nabo. Okay. Angathi sinawe nje baba uMncwangu. Ngibasathe ngiyabheka sihleli nawe kuphela la.
Mhlamba seze.
Ube khona uSizandile manje ngibona ukuthi bangena bayashintshana lapha ya. ngithembe likhona uzinze eqenjini ledudula ngoba ngibona phela ucacisiwe ukuthi kududula ngena uZandile but ngiyabona hayi bangena bayashintshana impela sekungena ecisha abathathu noma abawu4 abantu benhlangano zezombusazwe ezinye iANC besixhumanile nomkhulumeli wayo kwaZulu Natal wathi bazobe benomhlangano weNational Working Committee bangamthola umuntu abazomthumela wagcina engatholanga ithuba noma engaqinisekisanga iIFP kuthiwa umkhulumeli wayo usihlalo weprovince okupremier umnomzane uNtuli naye asimtholanga simthumelela umyalezo so sesenzele ukuthi ke angangeni umuntu athi ukhulumela lawo amaqembu esigcine singakwazanga ukuxhumana nawo iEFF NFP iwona ke esixolisayo ukuthi asifikanga kuwona but abanye umkhonto wesizwe sakwathiwa uJoel Ngubane so ke ningadinwa bakwethu ukuthi ayihambile manje uZandile hambile uZandile is gone andibeke nombuzo ngoba uSezandile ngeke ngezwe bemkhomba ngale bathi ngaze uZimbabwe manje bengifuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi baze babuya bathi family member le bathi umfowabo lebulawayo madoda bathi isebulawayo bathi ebulawayo bathi ebulawayo ukuthi mhlambe asicacisele ukuthi kwenzakalani mhlambe nawo wayizwa leyo nkulumo
hayi ngiyayibona nje kodwa phela angikwazi ukuyifakaza ngathi engayazi
ngifuna ukuthi kube uyena ozosilekelela cela umlaba
cha Mbomvu
baba
ya Mbomvu mhlambe ngoba salindile
nangu uJacinta usefikile
okay let me touch Mbomvu while besajoyina kuma section engithi we propose an amendment that deals with issue of illegal migration.
Yeah.
Section 27 we constitution ukhuluma ngehealthcare Mbomvu. So njengamanje uthi everyone has a right to healthcare. So what we are saying as Section SA, what we said as amendment, uthi these rights should be only for ama South African citizens. So ngamanye amazwi ke we are saying akumele kube khona umuntu waSouth Africa oyithola being denied i-right yakhe i-treatment just because uvinjwa abantu bangaphandle. But remember as well, this amendment usangaya kwi-private sector uma ifuna private sector umuntu afika akhokhe uma ifika akhokhe owangaphandle. But what we are saying here is healthcare should be reserved only for South Africans, especially public hospitals. The way education Mbomvu, we made the amendment I think was section 29 section 29 1 2 and 3. Now 40 ukhuluma ukuthi everyone has a right to education. So we are saying we're replacing everyone. We are saying all citizens have a right to education. No, section 26 in Mbomvu, housing. Nakona uti everyone has a right to have access to adequate housing. Again, nalapho Mbomvu, we are saying we remove everyone. Nakona city akube ukuthi all citizens have a right to access to adequate housing, because njengamanje i-constitution iyona yenza ukuthi labantu abangaphandle nama organization akwazi ukuba defender, rightfully so, because current constitution iyabanikeza space yokubathi ba defendeke noma uthi uye enkantolo awukwazi ukuyiwina back ngoba as stand i-constitution isho kunye. Yabona ngifisa ke mina Mbomvu ukuthi thathi ngathiwa ayangena amaqembu khona soza ukuthi are they supporting these amendments in parliament or not, khona sokwazi ukuthi as Action SA obani abaminathi in this fight ngoba kusiza ukukhuluma nje for the sake of amavoti, but when you are in parliament you do opposite.
Okay, sibonge. Sanibonani wesisu Zandile nosisu Jacinta. Hey, ngiyaliqala le gama. Niyaphila sisu Zandile nosisu Jacinta.
Siyaphila thina siyaphila Mbovu ninjani nina clean governance.
Siyaphila. Sizocela ukuthi siqale ngosisu Zandile. Sigcine ngawe uMangobese angithi.
Kunjani?
Socela nje ungangishayi ukuthi ubufike eqala ubeke wafika uthi Sizandile waphinde wanyamalala. Sizandile niyaphila. Sizandile. 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 Ngicela uvule imic Sizandile. Uyaphila Sizandile? Hayi ungathi network imdlalise rough Nkosi yami. Hayi ungathi network yeah. Okay. Asiqale ngosisu Mangobese. Osekulungile Sizandile. Sizandile okay. Mangobese.
Sanibona.
Uyaphila sis? Uyaphila sis?
No ngiyaphila kakhulu, angixolise kakhulu. Ngisasendleleni sibuya ukuyodudula. But I hope network yami izoba stable ngizokwazi ukungizwa. Or maybe singapha
Mangobese
Jacinta a chance. Mhlawumbe I think I should be stationed in the next 20 minutes.
Aw siyabonga kakhulu.
If that's fine.
Mangobese. Thanks a lot. Siyabonga kakhulu. Mangobese. Mangobese.
Sanibona bo.
Siyaphila. Ngizwa kuqala phambi kokuba siye kude. Yini igama le organization?
March and March.
Okay, we would like to give you 10 minutes. Who is March and March? March and March yasungulwa ngobani yini umsebenzi wayo?
Ngibonge Mbovu ithuba. March and March inhlangano ukuthi yasungula a group of ama-citizens are concerned mayelana nokubona nje isimo isizwe singakhona okuningi bathi sikubheka sabona ukuthi kahle kahle kudalwa ukuthi kukhona ama illegal immigrants sathi sibheka sabona ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho ama drugs icrime eningi masibuka lento ezitolo izingane ziyashona kuningi nje esathi masikubheka sabona ukuthi no man lento ama illegal immigrants sibuyisele emuva kunokuthi sisephambili nesikhathi la eyasiphusha khona kakhulu yilesikhathi la kwakhona isuggestion yokuthi kunyuswe iVAT. So mase siyabuka sabona ukuthi no but isizathu sokuthi kunyuke iVAT doesn't make sense because yonke le mali lesetshenziswa government if ibibhekiswe kuthina as ama South Africans kuphela ngaba sinayo lenkinga yokuthi kuthiwa iSouth Africa iphelelwe imali. So sinaleyo nkinga nje and then kwasijabulisa ukuthi sihambe lendlela mase siyayiqala sahlangana nabantu abafana nabo ke oSizandile nabanye uzwakele nje ngobe khona naye besisebenza kakhulu naye Patriotic Alliance bakhona baningi zonke inhlangano nje engayibala ngaphandle kwe ANC ne EFF but bonke engicabanga ukuthi sasebenzisana nabo ekuthenini si raise ama concerns ethu mayelana nalolu daba lama illegal immigrants sakwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane nabo. Sisithola ke mase siyabheka siyavundulula sathola ukuthi ngempela kuningi ukungcola okukhona masibheka udaba lama illegal immigrants cause asikhulumi kuphela ngendaba yama drugs, sikhuluma ama hijacked buildings. Maningi amabhilidi la eSouth Africa ikakhulukazi mawubheka la eThekwini uyabona lapha ePoint amabhilidi akhona hijackiwe, abantu bayakhishwa phakathi kuhleli bona labantu ba create idleke lezi zama drugs and so forth. And then also on top of that mawubheka isimo seyikole kugcwele abantu bokufika ibhedlela imithi yashoda ibona mawubuka ama tuck shop ingane edlengula ubona ama tuck shop ibona kuningi nje engase ngikusho engathi kudalwe yona lento ama illegal immigrants. So sagcina ke sesidila nayo ke njenge March and March sathi sifuna ukuthi kube khona izwi lethu sizwakale njengama citizens ngoba iMarch and March yaqala ku Facebook kahle kahle kwabantu abathiza abaningi abathi sikhathelo kulokhu silwela into esikhuluma ku social media kuphela. Sinesifiso sokuthi sihambe emgwaqeni sizwakalisa ungajabuli kwethu. Yaqala kanjalo ke March and March. So thina ke sakwenza nje kwacaca ukuthi asiyona inhlangano yezepolitiki kodwa sama citizens are concerned. Ingakho sikwazi ukuthi noma yiphi inhlangano ethi ifuna ukusebenzisana nathi siyakwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane nayo. Kodwa sijabula kakhulu ngoba kukhona esibambisene kakhulu nabo. Abona kahle ukuthi le nqola siyayiphusha ngoba intention iyodwa ukuthi ama South Africa kuba iSouth Africa kube ama South Africans ngoba lokho siyakubona ukuthi uhulumeni wethu usuhlehle kakhulu kuleyo data. Ngazi noma khona yini abantu imali abayitholayo yini for lama illegal immigrants thina singazi mhlambe sikhona esizokuthola kule ngxoxo namhlanje sizokuzwa ukuthi khona yini ngempela imali abantu bezepolitiki abayitholayo ngelento yama illegal immigrants because ngendlela ababalwela ngayo ungaze ufunga ukuthi inkulu into esingayazi thina. Angaze ngibone mina ilizwe elikwazi ukuthi liprioritize abantu bangaphandle okudlula abantu balo njenge South Africa. iSouth Africa ngafika wonke umuntu nje afike ethi xenophobic uthole nama leaders akhona nayo futhi aya insist ukuthi xenophobic. Kanjani nibe nisibona isimo esiphila ngaphansi kwaso ibone as ama leaders kahle kahle basiqhathayo njengabantu ukuthi simele silwela ama resources lawo amancane futhi siwabonayo ukuthi aphelile awasekho. Kodwa fanele thina futhi siwabange lawo ama resources siwabange nabantu bokufika esingabazi ukuthi ubani bakhona bagcwele la and from ama estimations ngazi ukuthi abantu abawu 27 million from ama estimates atholakalayo kulento yelokhuzi yama tower nokuregister kwama sim 27 million. Iliphi ilizwe lingavuma ukuba nabantu abawu 27 million ekulokhu kuthiwa bazofika la bayacanasa baziwa ukuthi bawubani baphethe abanye baphethe ama fraudulent documents abanye bayathatha amabhilidi bayazakhela kuthiwa balethe ingane zabo bangena ema clinic bayaphuma bayangena. No, I think sekuyisikhathi sokuthi siyishintshe lento. So njenge March and March simile nje kuthenini angeke size sihlehla until kuze kushintshe indlela yokwenziwa ngayo ngoba ngeke size sikwazi ukuthi imali yethu sisebenzela kanzima impilo yethu nengane zethu sisebenzela kanzima kuthiwa sizoyinikela nje kubantu bokufika ngoba kuthiwa nasema office sekuyibona sebephethe sekuyibona bashaya imithetho sekuyibona bakhipha ama South Africans. Kuyaqashwa nje South Africa kuqasha abantu bangaphandle akekho futhi nonendaba ukuthi ayimonitor lento lokho kuthiwa unemployment iphezulu eSouth Africa, unemployment iphezulu eSouth Africa. Kodwa naku abantu bangaphandle bayaqashwa. Baqashwa kanjani phoma ngabe unemployment iphezulu engabe imisebenzi ayikho? Baqashwa kanjani bona? Bayithola kanjani imisebenzi? And that's why umsebenzi owenziwa uZandile ubaluleka ukuthi asinayo thina inkinga yosimsebenza ayikho. Sinenkinga yabantu abangahlonipha umthetho wase South Africa abakwaziyo ukuthi bangene bezenzele umathanda la. Nangu no mayor oyinkosi yomeya badlula bonke omeya la eSouth Africa futhi angikunqeni ukusho lokho. Umeya uNasiphi simbonile umsebenzi ayenzayo ukukhuculula isithi yaseTshwane mase sekhipha ubona ukungcola ukuthi baproduce upetrol wabo bazenzela izinto zabo enomnotho wabo bazakhela iorania yabo khona la eSouth Africa isibindi esingaka. Kodwa thina silokhu sihleli kuthiwa thina hayi lokhu kuthiwa sizogoqa ngomthetho wase South Africa. Usebenzisa kanjani umthetho ukuthi udile nabantu uprotect abantu abangohlonipha umthetho wala eSouth Africa? Thina silwa nalokho ukuthi ngeke sisakwazi ukuhlehla emuva, ngeke futhi sisathula siyeke ukuthi abantu abathi ba ama leaders ethu basibuyisele emuva noma ngabe yiphi inhlangano le leyo esitshela indaba yokuthi bona bazolwa nathi mawukuthi sisenze lento yokuleli South Africa sithi bring it on, we are ready to go.
Okay, right. Sibingelele nezinye ihambeli zethu eziqeda kufika. Kushoda nje sokugcina Mavava Sikhakhane kube seku right. Okay. Sisuzandile. Before sizofaka imibuzo, sisizwile nge March and March. Sisuzandile usuyakwazi ukukhuluma? Okay.
Yes, I think it's enough.
Right. Sisuzandile uyaphila?
No, ngiyaphila baba Ngobeni. Angibingelele naku Patriot uMncwango. Ngibingelele futhi no Mangobese. Ngibingelele ngibona no Jobe ukhona la. Ngibingelele futhi no Mchunu. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe nathi namhlanje. Ake ngi introduce so that kuzoba clear kuwo wonke umuntu. Igama lami nguZandile Dabula. I'm a bona fide of this country. I was born and bred in Soweto, and yes, I am a South African. Now, Operation Dudula isungulwa uZandile Dabula, Solomon Kekan, and another gentleman by the name of Robert Xaba owahamba just few months siceda ukuyisungula iOperation Dudula. Ukusungula kwethu kweOperation Dudula sabona nje ukuthi sisenkingeni as South Africa. We've been sidelined, and you know, somebody needed to take a stand ukuthi nje we must fight for our own South Africans. Operation Dudula we have you know, kubasunguli babo military veterans, abantu abahamba baya emazweni amanye bayo trainer, but what we know is that they respected all the laws of this country. Now a problem esayibona ukuthi masiloku sihamba siye ema restaurant siye indaweni sabona ukuthi abantu abasivayo akubona abantu bethu, abantu bangaphandle, yet unemployment rate ilokhu iya ngokukhuphuka, and sabona ukuthi no, something needs to be done. Sicalile ke since 2022 we had our first meetings. 2022 we then took it to the streets because sizama ukukhuluma, you know, some of our members wethu ba ama comrades, and they used to belong to the ANC, and some used to belong to the EFF, and sizama nje ukuthi sikokote eminyangweni different seeking for help ukuthi sisiza kanjani, because na inkinga siyayibona iyeza, si preventa kanjani from being worse. But ke sathola ukuthi you know, siya ignoriwa. But then we then started marching. Our first march was in May 2022, marching to the city of Joburg. In Mayor at that time was Jeff. You know, we marched to Jeff, and we had, you know, a list of demands that this is how we see things. Sicela ukuthi sinisize, but Operation Dudula at that time kwakuyi civic movement before it merged to being a political party. You know, we told them we are looking at a seat, because at that time we were still in Joburg, because yasungulwa eSoweto. We're looking at a city, and siyabona ukuthi ama buildings are dilapidating. Ugcwele abantu bokufika. I mean, indaba ye powder, it's too much. Emadolobheni uzothola kunobaba omdala onomkhabo omkhulu, mobheka itafula athengisa kulo linamaswiti awu5 nama chips, and that's when we started checking zonke lezi zinto ezifana nalezo. Uma ucheka uthola ukuthi ubaba omdala uthengisa powder, uthengisa ingane zethu powder. And you know, sibheka ukuthi there's people abamele ama RDP houses babo since 1996, but kunama properties are hijacked in and around ama cities, but the government is doing nothing about it. And also looked at indaba ye human trafficking. I mean, yes, crime dali khona in South Africa, but crime esesibona manje, it's news to us. Asikaze saba nenkinga ye human trafficking eSouth Africa engaka, you know, bekunokulahleka abantwana there and then, but manje it has become a norm ukuthi abantwana bayalahleka. we're looking at employment, abantu abagcwele emisebenzini ama-foreigner. And you know, there's a whole list izinto esingayibala esibonayo ukuthi izinto ezisimoshela i-country yethu yile. Now ungena kule indawo abazihijackile, indlela abayiphethe ngayo, you know, uyabona nje ukuthi umuntu nendawo akayithenganga, umuntu oyithengile indawo yakhe uyayinakekela. And you know, we stood up and we went to the city, but akakaba nenkinga. Main problem is our porous borders. We've been marching to different departments for the past 4 years. Silibele si march to different departments. One of the departments esasimarchela kuyo i-Home Affairs. Ukuthi can we secure our border gates wethu, because that's where most of our problems wethu are khona. And nobody listened to us. And you know, azange saphela umoya, siloku sigcekwa, siloku sitshelwa ukuthi we are inhuman, asibathanda abantu, but iqiniso ukuthi siyabathanda laba bantu, they are our brothers and sisters. Inkinga nje sihlangabezana nayo ukuthi they are criminals, because once you jump i-border gate ungena amaphepha, it means you are a criminal and we should treat you as such. Now we find ourselves you know, in a situation whereby we're now having to fight with law enforcers, because okwangempela if abantu bomthetho ama-officials, you know, bewenza umsebenzi wabo, ngaba sikho kule nkinga esikuyo namhlanje, ngabe even i-operation Dudula ayizange yaba khona, because masicala sasithe sifuna ukusiza, but ke we went to different departments amacha and nobody listened to us. Masizogcina sithi angeke sisawayenza ama-march was when we marched to the president yena himself. Sibuya nje sesiyabuya, you know, with those very set of demands, but we didn't even get a response kuye. That's how arrogant our government is. But you know, for some reason we're getting support from communities. Kuye kwaba slow nje, because for the past 5 years you know, we've been pulling very hard. Abantu bengayiboni le vision esinayo yokuthi what we want is to just prioritize South Africans in everything. We want, you know, a country enomthetho. You know, we have the most beautiful constitution sinemithetho la South Africa. Abantu nje okumele bakwenze ukulandela le mithetho le. We're sitting with a problem khona manje i-constitution yethu, which is you know, misinterpreted in many ways. Abantu bafuna ukusebenzisa i-constitution yethu ngendlela ezosutha bona for ubucriminality babo. Khona manje when you look at a preamble yethu, it starts from we the people of South Africa in our diversity, but nobody wants to talk about that part. Abantu bokufika mebefuna ukukhuluma nge-constitution yethu, even some South Africans who are on the side of foreigners, they would just bayithathe nje la ukuthi South Africa belongs to all who lives in it. There is nothing like that, and we must always masithola ama-platforms afana nalawa siyilungise leyo, because there is no country that will draft a constitution and accommodate foreigners. That's the same reason why we have immigration laws, so that those immigration laws are supposed to protect abantu bokufika, because yes, there is no country that can work iyodwa. We need to coexist, but imithetho ye-immigration needs to be followed. Umthetho nje oqala we-immigration uyasho ukuthi uma uze country you must be well documented. Angisayibali ke indaba yasemakliniki yaseyikolweni, because i-situation esifacana nayo manje yokuthi siyithola sesisemageyidini wamakliniki, and soon we will be going emageyidini weyikolo, because nanoma ugovernment esibona ukuthi this is our aim, into esizama ukuyenza ile, they still do nothing, because there is no political will to deal with this situation esikuyo. And immigration is a burning issue in this country. No matter how much one can want to ignore it, you can't ignore it, because wonke umuntu is affected by this thing, directly or indirectly. Umntwana se next door umethatha i-powder because I stock somewhere kuma Nigerians. It's either uzobuya atshontshe elokishini lakho, or even nakuma suburb. That's when you are affected indirectly, because lo mntwana lo akuso wakho, but uthatha i-powder, but uzo affecteka because uzogcina ayisigebengu ahamba azotshontsha lapho kwakho. So those are the challenges we cannot have abantwana bethu not having quality education because they are overcrowded kulama class. Akukho normal ukuthi you'll have a class that has plus minus 60 people in one classroom and you expect ukuthi the educator uzokwazi ukufocusa kubo abone nokuthi lo mntana lo udinga special attention and what not. That's why manje abantwana ubheka nje sebayaphasiswa nje because abomama bayamaka nje sebayenzela ukuthi kuphushwe nje abantwana bethu bandlule. I-government yethu has failed us, and if Tina as us as communities we are not going to stand up and make sure ukuthi we put ourselves first in our country, because here we're dealing with abantu ababalekela ama-problems wabo emakubo.
Okay.
Go home niyolungisa iy'nkinga zenu emakhaya la niphuma khona. Just like ubaba uChuna sebacelile ukuthi sicela ukuba ne-family meeting. That's exactly what we are saying. Sifuna ukuba ne-family meeting, silungise iy'nkinga zethu. Asikwazi ukulungisa iy'nkinga zethu sigcwele ngabantu esingabazi. Even nasekhaya la uhlala khona, makunenkinga ubaba uyacele abavakashi or abavakashi bahambe cala, then sihlale phansi siwumndeni and discuss our issues sikhona ukwa resolve. But all in all, Operation Dudula is about prioritizing South Africans. We are saying put South Africans first in everything that we do. But also I would like to acknowledge and be thankful to our organizations esihlala sisebenzisana nabo. Babu Ngobani, we must be honest. We do have patriotic some councillors as a sit must figure understand, and I think the city lapaya at times esavulelwa ama case because it devilers igcwele ama foreigner ngendlela exakile. And naye because ukuwo lo mbutho loyo angatholi support kuwo, but he's been pushing, I must say, uKhansela Sihle has been pushing with us until we start meeting with the likes of March and March. Umangobese reached out and push our programs all together, and that's the unity that we want from South Africans, because impilo esibhekane nayo inkulu kunathi sonke, ifuna idinga thina sonke. Angisabalike ama-member we-EFF because it looks like they are working against us. Thina ma-city we want to prioritize and put South Africans first. Yibo nje sobabona besilwisa sizobe bathola sebasimele emagatini and all that, and unfortunately we will not back down. Sisaqhubeka, and if kumele ibe inkulu ukudlula lokho, we are more than ready. If kumele sivale country so that uhulumende azosiza ukuthi asisabafuni abantu bokufika, especially abangana maphepha, because when we talk about abantu bokufika, we have abantu abanamaphepha, we have abantu ekungukuthi they claim to be documented. I mean, there's a whole lot of bogus home affairs esiwathonile nathi masiloku senza ama-operations wethu, whereby ufike endaweni uthola i-room kuthiwa i-internet cafe, kodwa uma ucheck ukuthi kuyenzakalani la uyabona bayiprintela ama-passport, baney'tembu zama-country wonke laba bantu labo. So ubani ujika ku-border gate, ubani ongajiki ku-border gate. So there's a whole lot of corruption ekumele sidile ngayo, even kuma-officials. Iparlamente libolile ligcwele igebengu. That's another thing ekumele sidile ngayo, because they are not helping us. Instead kubenefita bona bodwa. I mean, uyabona nje abantu abanamanzi, abantu abanagesi, kodwa sinabantu abayibiza ngokuthi ama-leaders who call themselves leaders but who have lost touch with ordinary South Africans laba kumele ingabe bayabasiza. I mean, you talk about abantu abahlala ama-private homes wabo, well secured. Uma umuntu ahamba estradeni being escorted by 10 cars, and ucabanga ukuthi lowo muntu loyo would understand ukuthi umuntu or the poor of the poorest yini ama-issues awamfaceayo. That's why babona ngathi hayi laba bayigulela laba ayikho into abakhala ngayo, because they don't feel i-pain efilwa umuntu that's on the ground, umuntu ohamba alale angadlanga, not because uyathanda but because there's no food, akunala athola khona i-income. Umntana uyahamba esikolweni uyoze athole i-breakfast yakhe esikolweni, not because of umzali naye akafuni, but there is no employment. That's why icrime yethu seyigcina seyikhuphuka, because abantu bethu abana plan, abasebenzi.
Usakhuluma sesizandile? Usekhona sesizandile? Sesizandile? Okay. Ngicabanga ukuthi inetwork imphazamisile. Usesizandile Dudula.
Foreigners and South Africans, kidnapping, you know.
Okay. Inetwork yamphazamisa kakhulu sisuzandile.
I think network iyangilahla futhi.
Yeah.
But I think let me pause there for now.
Okay, usisuzandile esaphozile. Right. We will then have the second round. Let's cela control ingcaciso about each organization. Jobe sawubona uyaphila.
Ngiyaphila Mbovu. Kuwena ngibinga nabafethu bonke abakhona nabalaleli bohlelo sanibonani.
Yeah, John. Yeah, i-position ye-ABC which I would say niyafana ne-Action SA, kukhona eseningena kwenza noma uzochaza ngepolicy kuphela e-organization yakho, khona eseningena kwenza ukulwisana nabantu bokufika abasezweni ngokungemthetho, and ikuphi eseningena kwenza?
Cha mhlambe Mbovu, ngenxa yokudla isikhathi angiqala ngento ethi mhlambe ukuze kuzoba kulula nakubo bonke abantu abasemakhaya nabalalela ohlelo lakho, ngiyofisa njengamaZulu siyifundise into ethi uma samaZulu silikhulume nje ulimi lwethu lesiZulu bebele, lokho okuzobe kwenza ukuthi mhlambe ngeke sibe nenkinga ezogcina zenza abantu bengagcinanga bengazwanga kahle ukuthi la bekuthiwani, ngoba impilo ekhona eSouth Africa njengamanje idinga ukuthi sonke sikwazi ukubumbana. Mhlambe okwesibili ngingakangeni ukuthi i-NBC kube into ethi kulento yabantu bokufika ukuze Mbovu sikwazi ukulwisana kahle nayo, kufanele sibeke ipolitiki eceleni siyilwe sonke njengabahlali bese South Africa. Eqinisweni ke Mbovu, mina kwi-ABC ngijutshwe nala ethiwa ngibheke khona abantu bokufika ukuthi abala eSouth Africa bakhona ngokomthetho noma ngokomthetho. Lukhona kuhle sesike salenza nje mnambithi lokuqala lisithi asikhuculule sihamba nabomthetho namaphoyisa. Eqinisweni asibadingi abantu bokufika la eSouth Africa nabangena amaphepha. Isibonelo nje Mbovu, uma uye eZimbabwe ngisho iklinikhi yakhona manje la eSouth Africa konke kumahala, bakuthola kube lula. Kodwa Mbovu into esiyifundileke nesingakwazi ukuyenza ukuze sishintshe lento yabantu bokufika, ngicabanga ukuthi abafowethu nodadewethu abasimele eParliament eCape Town, into yokuqala okufuneka mfowethu beyidisclose noma beyiveze ile yokuthi abekho nabahweba emazweni angaphandle, ngoba iduduli ngakwenza konke ngathi ifuna ukwenza siyisupport noma sithi siyakwenza, kodwa abantu abasiphethe uma bona bese namabhizinisi ngaphandle, inkinga ngeke sikwazi ukuyisolva, ngoba uzothi uthi uvikela abantu bokufika ukuthi abahambe bethona beqhamuka nokunye noma nomthetho ozokugoba wena ukuthi ungakwenzi lokho ngoba bona bayadla. Isibonelo ngenhlanhla mina kulonyaka sengihambelile iLesotho, ngayihambela iMozambique, ngayihambela iZimbabwe. Amavinje lokugcina bengiseZimbabwe. eZimbabwe basebenzisa imali yase-USA eyamadola, okusho ukuthi uma usuka nemali ese-South Africa uya nayo eZimbabwe ifike ibe ncane, kodwa uma usuka naseZimbabwe uza nayo ngapha ifike ibe nkulu. eZimbabwe kunemayini, mayini zaseZimbabwe ngithola ukuthi abaholi bethu bala eSouth Africa abamalungu eParliament eCape Town banamamayini eZimbabwe, and iZimbabwe ize ithi thina why singafani vesithathe siyi-province yase-South Africa ngoba umnotho wethu eqhutshwe eZimbabwe uye eSouth Africa. Mhlambe-ke Mbovu angifisa mawuthi angibaveze ukuthi obani esinabo eSouth Africa abanemayini koZimbabwe. Kuze kwavela lento kaStanley Dladla ukuthi uStanley Dladla wase-South Africa naye wadlela imishini yakhe eZimbabwe ngezathu sokuthi iqembu ebelibuso esikhathi South Africa ngesikhathi eZimbabwe kukhona iZANU-PF eZimbabwe. iZANU-PF yayitshela ukuthi umuntu ka-ANC uma sebethe ukuthi umuntu we-IFP eZimbabwe bamblockela bamdlela zonke izinto zakhe. Lena umbuzo usuyetheni-ke why laba abanye bengadlelwa. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina Mbovu as ABC into oqala sifuna ukudila nayo sikwazi siyilungiseke ngeke ukuthi singathi siyabaxosha bokufika kodwa uma ikhanda phezulu kusenenkinga khona kofana ukuthi sithela amanzi emhlabeni wedata ngoba if umongameli wezwe enemayini eZimbabwe vele uzonima uqala uzuhlumezana eZimbabwe la uyazi nabo bazomvalela lapho ngoba imali ayithola eZimbabwe ingaphekwa lethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi sisenkingeni ezithini iSouth supporta kodwa ukuze sibasupporte kahle Mbovu abangathi ukusebenzisa ipolitiki noma besebenziswa abantu bepolitiki uma bona befuna ukuyenza into yabo kahle ngcono abakhande uhlaka oluthi njengo-IEC u-IEC mawune emhlangano wonke amaqembu ezepolitiki asuke emelelekile kwa-IEC mhlambe nayo idudula ukuze ingagcini ilinkeka engathi neqembu elithile lezepolitiki ayibe nohlelo lalo lesihlukile lokuthi uma izoba namaprogram efuna ukwenza abantu bokufika kodwa ibiza umhlangano namaqembu wonke akhona ezepolitiki sibe imbumbe sonke kungasetshenziswa ipolitiki. Ngicabanga usoyinqoba ihlava sabantu bokufika ngoba imisebenzi abayithathayo la esinayo la South Africa nathi le abantu bethu abangenayo msakazi ngicela ukuma labo.
Siyabonga mfoka Sikhakhane bekufanele kungena uMacingwane kodwa ngizwa inzondo engathi noma inkulumo ibheke kubantu abamnyama kuphela kanti abantu bokufika esinenkinga nabo eSouth Africa nizomkhumbula umlungu okade bulala kakhulu based east of Johannesburg uRodovan Kresha okade eqhamuka eCyprus. That's a white man akade belida kakhulu ebugebengwini obuhleliwe. And then we've got many Chinese people aba involved ebugebengwini ezweni. And then mase soba ke nabantu abamnyama and those white people Chinese and Pakistanis aba undocumented. Angizwa any of the organizations saying anything about them. And uJobe ucacisa into yohwebo. There is nothing wrong trading with other countries. Trader ukhwebelana regardless ukuthi a person can be a leader senisho ukuthi mawuzalwe eSouth Africa usuzosebenza eSouth Africa kuphela. Is that what you are saying? Macingwane mfowethu ungangena sizwe olakho uvo kulandele ubhuti uMavava mase siyabuyela ke enkulumweni yethu sizwe ukuthi uthini umthetho sisekelo wezwe njengoba silwa kanje and then sithi uMangobese uthi what is the way forward for rematch and march. Zandile sisocela wena masifika kuwena usicacisele sizwe nawe ngathi kuthiwa kunephungana ngazi bakhomba ngala koZimbabwe usicacisele sibonile la kwezokuxhumana bekhaka kakhulu. What is your say on that position? Uphunhlanhla lax enanigijima naye sezothi untengisile ubuye kube nenkohlakalo yini la asike sivezeni amaqiniso and who is funding who here. Mfoka Macingwane.
Mbongo siyabonga kakhulu ngeplatform osinikeza yona. Phinde ngibingelele kakhulu kodadewethu nabafowethu abakhona lapha. Ngibonga kakhulu. Ngibonga kakhulu kumfowethu uZwakala Mncango. Enye into zakithi esiyethembile kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi kule province yaKwaZulu Natal ngokuthi imkwazi ukuba i-opposition outside being in opposition. Leyo nto leyo inkulu kakhulu iyodwa nje. It shows the greatest leader. Bese kuphinde futhi kuzoba abafowethu abakhona lapha oJacinta weMarch and March, uZandile Dudula, umfowethu Mavava, Jobe siyabonga. Engingakusho ke mina njengomlando wasemachunini akukuningi. Ngizothi mina isici asinegotiate. You don't negotiate a crisis or an enemy, you decide. Ikakhulukazi uma ngabe ekhaya kunenkinga eserious, ingane ziyakhishelwa phandle ngoba kufanele bakhona ezingakuzo. Sicela abantu abokufika babe khona eSouth Africa, abangama ambassadors nangaba ngama tourist kuphela nama investors, ngoba likhe izwe liphila ngaphandle kwabanye abantu. Lonke lokuqaba esibhekene nalo, inkinga esibhekene nayo, fuck off. Wonke lo duty esibhekene nawo, fuck off. Kodwa ke uma ngabe bezocasha ngokuthi kukhona abantu bukufika abazothi bangama investors belutha amability, akuwona ama investors lawo. Ama investors are people who are bringing economy and the business to the country. And then njengamanje sicela nje kusala sodwa South Africa. Sicela nje umuntu nje ongokufika, ngisho i-investor, ufika investor ahambe. Njengamanje u-Elon Musk wase South Africa, wa invest emhlabeni, wa invest eSouth Africa, wa investor kwa America, uhlala khona. Kodwa futhi uyakwazi ukuthi azazi ukuthi umele ini. Into ebalekile kakhulu njengamanje sibhekene nayo yileyo ukuthi South Africa sibonakala sifana neAmerica, kodwa futhi singeyona iAmerica. Njengamanje uTrump kwi-United Nations usanda kudeclare ukuthi yena ukwenze kahle ukuthi axoshe bonke abantu bokufika futhi aregulate imithetho ethinta abantu abakufika nabangama investors ngendlela eright. Ngithi ke mina nganza kwethu thina siyingane la eAfrica, okwamanje abahambe bese sala sizihlonza ukuthi thina simiphi sikwazi ukuya phambili. Asikwazi ukuba nenkinga zegceke, sibe nenkinga zemizi yabantu nomakhelwane nabangaphandle. Njengamanje sinomongameli owikhuna bonke omongameli esakasaba nabo kulelizwe. Sidinga ukudila naleyo nkinga. Asikwazi ukudila naleyo nkinga sibe sidila nomunye umuntu. Indaba ye-EFF is dead and buried. Bese kuzothi udadewethu lo uZandile we-Operation Dudula ubeka amaphuzu abalulekile kakhulu. Ngwazwile kanye nodadewethu uMangobese engicabanga ukuthi abalulekile siwacubungule bese siwahlanganisa la hlangana khona. Bese futhi Mbomvu la uthinta khona egcineni uthi mhlawumbe khonto esolekayo ukuthi nokuthi noNtata Lux kubalulekile ukuthi siphendule lapho ngendlela siphendula ngayo. Kodwa futhi kubalulekile ukwesinye isikhathi ke sifocus kwi-crisis esibhekene nayo bese siphinde sicubungule ezinye izinto, ngoba ngisho ngasiphendula lezo zinto simthola ukuthi ke uyilento mhlawumbe abantu abayikhombayo noma akayiyona noma akasiyo, kodwa kusalayo ukuthi yiphi inkinga esibhekene nayo. Uma ingane iphumela phandle ithi kuyasha, awubuza ukuthi
ubani wena ngoba isibongo uhlawuliwe noma uhlawuliwe ngaphambi kokuthi ulungiselwe isimo leso. Siyacela ukuthi nawe Mbomvu kwi platform yakho uma wacategorize imibuzo nama-topic nama-concerns yabona, njengoba nami nginey'nwele ey'fana abantu abadayisa ama-chips angewona walelizwe nje abulala abantu, nami ngenzeka ngothola ukuthi mhlawumbe kusasa kuyothiwa lezi inwele azihambe ziyocwaningwa. So njengamanje mina njengomlando, njengo-President of the Bhinqa Nation, njengomlando wasemachulwini, ngithi mina umuntu ongokufika kulelizwe irregardless of what, especially laba kuthiwa ama-China nama-Pakistan nalaba abantu okuthiwa amagwelekwele, abahambe bonke kusale abantu abavakashile abama-tourist abasilethela umnotho nabantu abazo-investor nama-ambassadors. 3, we only need triangle esidingayo. Uzwakele mfowethu, umsebenzi wakho muhle and ngifuna ukuncoma zwakele ukuthi you are only a person okwazi ukuba i-opposition outside of governance. Leyo nto leyo mina ngifuna ukuyishayela ihlobe ukuncome ngithi mfoka Mncango, mfowethu umsebenzi wakho uyabonakala ulosehlathini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sibonge Chunwini. We are not undermining any leader that is here, but as a country we also have a responsibility yokuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kwesisuke sikwenza mawumholi kona konke sikwenza kubalulekile ukuthi siholwe abantu abaqotho, abantu esizobathemba, ngoba esilwa nako ukuthi sibe nabaholi abangezothembeka. Akekho umholi esim-underminayo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi before this particular session abanye babaholi siye sakwazi ukuxoxa nabo, sasho kodwa ukuthi sizoyicela enye yencaciso. Mfoka Sikhakhane, uyaphila bhuti?
Ngiyaphila Mbomvu, nabafowethu ngiyabingelela nodadewethu nabo bonke abathameli balesicawu sakho ngiyabingelela.
Mfowethu usembonini, sikhuluma nawe njengosomabhizinisi osembonini la, right? Nali izwi eliphumayo eSouth Africa. Izwi lethu lixakwe abantu bokufika abangenamaphepha mvume noma abangenawo amagunya okuba kulelizwe. Ithi i-Action SA eyingxenye kahulumeni yona eyakuphakamisa ukuthi yenza incomo zokuthi kunezinto lapha kumthetho sisekelo wezwe ekufanele zishintshwe. Kusho ukuthi umbuzo uthi ngoba esikubona manje abantu sebesukumile, sebekhathele ukuhlala phansi, imboni yamatekisi eye ilide kokunye noma ungakhulumeli yona, ithuli thini isimo sinje ezweni? Asiniboni nowosomabhizinisi kukhona enikwenzayo kulesimo. Nithini nina bosomabhizinisi? Nanka manzi ngene endlini, abantu bangaze babambane ngehluthu baze balwe, kanti nina nabaholi abasembonini nithule. Wena Mfoka Mbomvu.
Hayi Mbomvu, ngicela nje ukukhuluma nami njengomuntu ongekho ndawo. Angikhulumi njengomuntu osembonini, angikhulumi njengomuntu osebhizinisini, ngoba mangizothi ngikhuluma njengomuntu osebhizinisini kusho ukuthi ukukhuluma kule platform mangazwelanga sekuyofuna hujwe losomabhizinisi wemina kuthiwa hayi wakwahlasela umbuso, kanti funa sikhuluma kuyiqiniso. Cha Mbomvu, mina mfowethu engingakusho, abantu bokufika la eSouth Africa bayizinhlobo eziningi ezihlukahlukene, akubona abantu ababodwa. Futhi akukhona ukuthi abantu bokufika eSouth Africa funa bahambe bonke. Abantu bokufika bayazazi abantu abafika beze ngento eqondile eSouth Africa, abenza okuqondile. Bakhona futhi abafike ngendlela ngobusuku, abenza okungekhona, ababulala ke eSouth Africa yonkana. Nathi siyahweba kwezinye indawo ngaphandle, bakhona abantu basemakithi abasebenzayo ngaphandle, siyakusupporta lokho. Kodwa nabo uma ukuthi bahweba ngaphandle ngobugebengu, kofuna lapha abahweba khona ngoba ugebengu baxoshwe babuyiswe bazobenza la ngakithi ubugebengu kuze mawukuthi babulala abantu basemakuba hayi babulala abantu bokuhamba bangabazi. Mhlambe Mbomvu angibone ngathi masothi imithetho sisekelo iyoshintshwa iParliament siyobe sikhuluma iphupho siyobe sikhuluma amanga ngoba sekucacile ukuthi eSouth Africa umthetho wabekwa khona umthetho ebekwe eSouth Africa ithi imithetho yabekwayo ayishintsheki kodwa ikhona amendwayo. Umbuzo ke mina ngibe nawo ngithi hawo imithetho wathiwa ayisashintsheki obani kufuna abashintsha imithetho obani abayibekayo imithetho kungani kuthiwe kuyaphasa ukushintshwa komthetho kodwa kuphasa ukuthi kube khona imithetho eshintshwa uma kubona ukuthi icindezela abantu. Mhlambe ngibona ukuthi kuyosiza ngoba phela akekho uNkulunkulu yokwehla ezulwini athi uzotakula eSouth Africa iyotakulwa yithina futhi eSouth Africa ngeke izitakulwe osopolitiki. Sesabafundisa kakhulu ukuthi siyabalalela bekhuluma into esikhohlisayo. Masizothi ke sizothembela kubona hayi mina ngibona ngathi osopolitiki bona abantu ekufunakale basifice singaphandle sihamba silungisa izwe lethu lase South Africa. Ngoba uhulumeni okhona noma uhulumeni owakwakhona umuntu obonakala ukuthi ukhuluma into ezosiza abantu bamfaka imali emlonyeni aphaphatheka umuntu acabange zonke into ezinhlange nazo noma abulawe. Manje kodwa masingakwenza sonke kanye njoba kukhona lento ofuna mina njengami nje Mbomvu ngiyibuka ngumuntu ongeyilutho kakhulu ukuthi kungaze kuthiwe kukhuluma abantu besifazane abancane kangaka bekhuluma into ebaleke kangaka kodwa thina singabantu besilisa sithule. Kuphela silinda ukuthi nje makusondela ama-election sizongena kwezethu sihambe siyolalela ama-manifesto sihambe siyovota sivotele khona ukuthi sikhohliswe ngoba phela into esiyivotelayo ukuthi sikhohliswe hayi ukuthi sivotele ukuthi sisizakale sivotele ukuthi sikhohliswe nokuthi kuphusheke abantu abathile kube yibona abakhulayo nabathuthukayo abaphambili. Laba abantu abaphansi abasoze bakhula ngoba thina sinama favorite ethu abantu sibona ukuthi bafanelwe ukuthi babuse noma bafanelwe izinto ezinhle. Kumanje mawungachecka kuwononke amadolobha akhona onke amabhilidi ngeke ulifice ibhilidi lerana umuntu omnyama noma ngeke ulifice ibhilidi ligcwele abantu abamnyama kodwa hamba emjondolo eseduzane nawo amadolobha ufica abantu bakithi abamnyama begcwele khona bayamuka bayanetha bayasha nemjondolo akekho ukhuluma leyo nto kulokhu nje kuthiwa hayi ufuna ukujatshulela ukuthi hayi ke uminister othile noma emise othile uhambile lapho wayobakhaliswa abanikeza oblanket kodwa abantu bokufika banqwahe emafletini njengoba la ko point nje mina ngihlala eThekwini kunama-res ama-res ase point angikhumbuli kukhona i-res yomuntu omnyama kodwa ama-foreigner afika ngaphethe lutho kodwa la eSouth Africa afika awana uthi ipassport anayo ayirekhele yona la eSouth Africa ngoba ubudedengu obenziwa eSouth Africa ukuthi ithi yona mayifuna ukuwina ukhetho ngendlela ayifuna ukuwina ngalo ukhetho bese ifuna ukumanipulate isystem ngokuthi idedele information ka Home Affairs unikeza abantu bangaphandle. Sinale yonke inga vele Mbomvu kumanje mhlambe ama Home Affairs asebusuku avuliwe kuprintwa yonke into njoba kukhona indawo esikuthiwena abahamba abangenawo ama-permit okuhlala la bazobuyela sebafuthi babafice sebenawo ama-permit uzobusathinika ngoba uzoyibona uma uya exista ngoba i-system yase South Africa kwanikelwa ngayo bayazika babenikela ngayo ukuthi inhloso yabo kwakuyini ithine esingazi mhlambe mangathiwa ngempela kukhulunywa indaba yokuthi wonke umuntu ake ephumele eminyango afika abone ukuthi yini eyenzakalayo yini efunakala ukuthi ivikele abantu bakithi sekwehliswe ngisho iminyaka yabantu abaqashwa eSouth Africa kuthiwa mawuna above 35 ngeke uzoqashwa umbuzo engena ukuthi wani ngomuntu ono 15 years a graduate kodwa ungakaze aqashwe ndawo useze weqa kulo 35 balwa ngaphi lowo muntu uyoza asebenze kunabantu abama-graduate asekuze kwa-graduate iy'ngane zabo bona belokhu ba-graduate bezela iy'ngane sezize nazo za-graduate kodwa akaze basebenze ndawo kodwa labo bantu banama-ID yokuthi njengoba kuyiwa ukhethweni ngonyaka ozayo funa baphume nama-ID bahambe beyovota bovotela bona futhi abantu abazoqhubeka nokuthi basikhohlise manje inkinga yethu sikhuluma silele phansi kungcono besikhuluma sime ngeenyawo siyazazi ukuthi sifunani ngeke ngathi mina Mbomvu umbono nje wami ngathi hayi mhlawumbe into esiyosiza iSouth Africa ukuthi abantu abasha ke bebe neqembu labazolivotela elizomela bona alikho iqembu elimela abantu abasha abantu abasha bayakhohliswa nje ngoba ke sekwa wonke umuntu oyipolitician useyazi ukuthi abantu abasha into abayithanda ubumnandi bafuhlelwa nje ngobumnandi abantu abasha kushaya isikhathi sokuvota bavote kuze kuqhubeke ukuthi bona ba-enjoy into emnandi abazoyibona hayi ukuthi into ezobaphilisa kwawona ama-grant la kuthiwa banikezwa wona mina ngifuni mina ungikhombise ungiphe amasi ngifuna ungikhombise inkomo eyisengayo ukuthi nami ngihambe ngiyoyisengela kungani ngingavulwa amathuba emisebenzi abantu basebenze kunokuthiwa abantu banikezwa ama-grant o-350 isiwaphi kuyiwaphi nje ngayo yonke lento uqala phansi umuntu okade graduate engasebenzi uqala phansi unikezwa naye ile mali weNSFAS ngoba kufanele uNSFAS le mali abayitholayo mina mhlambe ngibuka ukuthi abafowethu ngoba bayabona ukuthi ikhona into ekufunakala ikhulunywe nesinqumo ekufunakala esithathwe ukuze kuvikeleke abantu abancane noma abantu esibazele ngoba into eyinkinga ile ukuthi singathula ukuthula kodwa kusalayo onakho uyofana nomuntu ongakaze benakho wena mhla wafa ngoba izingane zakho azazi ukuthi ifuna zibe yini azazi ukuthi ifuna kwenzekini ngiyazi ukuthi njoba kukhulunywa kanje kule platform baningi abantu abazobona ukuthi ilona thuba lokuthi bayiveze ngokweposition yabo kuyipolitiki kanti nabo benzela ukuthi sibaphushe nje banyukele idebhisini engenhla bese bekhohlwa futhi thina babone into engaphakathi mina ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi yini eseparliament noma iparliament le province le national ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi abantu abangena khona bafika babhenyisweni lebenza abakhohlwe ukuthi babekhulumani nabantu
sibonge kuMboma sisuzandile ngizocela ukuthi before ngibuyela kubaba uMncwangu ngibuyele kuwena ngoba ubuhlushwa inetwork sisuzandile sisuzandile
I want to vale mark
uhlushwa inetwork kakhulu
Ngikhona
sisuzandile ithema ngabe idudula yandisa icampaign yayo le yokujaha abantu kwavele indaba zokuthi hayi nanga umkhaya isijaha wena wangakithi wasekhaya wena uphuma le eBulawayo awusicacisele iqhamukapi le isimiye campaign nje noma kuneqiniso kune-element of truth khona
yabona nje into engizoyisho ukuthi emhlabeni la sinenkinga enkulu yokuthi umuntu umenza into eright sifuna ukumgxeka bese sesiyenza zona lezi zinto ezifana nabo smear campaign. Now ismear campaign lesi siqale I think it's 3 weeks now where I can safely say ukuthi EFF is behind all of this smear campaign to just discredit Operation Dudula ngomsebenzi wawo oyenzayo and nami myself as a leader. Lokhu kujwayelekile ke entweni zesipolitiki ukuthi uma ukhuluma iqiniso because lokho sikukhulumayo iqiniso akekho umuntu ongaboni ukuthi sinenkinga ye-immigration. So I become a victim because I stand firm ngithi abantu mabahambe babuyele emakhaya. So it started when Julius Malema started saying Samatags. And then that's when I thought I ngibona ukuthi okay sinenkinga entsha ke manje. And 2 days later one of the NEC member was saying 7 days ukuthi he will deal with me. So iza nama-threats ke futhi ilokhu injalo. Hawu mangisabheka i-7 days hawu sengiyiZimbabwe ke manje. Ngizalwa kanye nalabo engithi mabahambe babuyele la baphuma khona. It will not make sense, you know, ngifuna ukusho nakubantu abake bayibelieve lonto le ukuthi I cannot be the person othi abantu mabahambe babuye emakhaya ngibe ngazi ukuthi nami ngiphuma la bephuma khona nabo angeke ngixoshe abantu basekhaya. So ngokusho nje kanje fight ngazalelwa eBaragwanath Hospital and you know, they're more than welcome ukuyocheck ama records wami because they promised ukuthi into abazoyenza leyo. I'm still waiting nanamhlanje njengoba kuthiwa to be arrested ngikhona yonke indawo kuma matchi kuma clinic at times uyangithola and angithukanga mina ngisabi lutho futhi ama threats wabo nje ngithulile ngwabhekile but akekho nje umuntu ozongithulisa umlomo. Ngizohlezi ngisho ngithi until abantu bokufika bashiya in peace in this country I will not back down. Sithanda ukusebenzisana nawo wonke umuntu oyikhuluma ilanguage yethu and ngiyabonga futhi kakhulu kuye uBhuti Mavava, you know, mesekhulumile ukuthi sibhekiwe nje sayamantombazana amancane mele ngabe siyenzele into zethu nathi siyayijayivela intanga zethu ziyayijayivela and all that but si busy ngezinto, you know, si busy with bigger things, izinto ezinkulu kunathi zokuzama ukulungisa iCountry. And yes, we do need support kakhulu futhi so that lempi masiyilwa si-united kuzoba lula ukuthi you know siyilwe. But all in all, mina I'm waiting for the EFF to confirm even my nationality and ngisalindile nje futhi ukuthi angiboshwe ngiyolala ejele ngoba nje futhi kulempi esikuyo silindele noma yini sizofa okanye sizolala emajele lokho sikulindele nje and angeke size sikubalekele makufikile kufikile kodwa nje abantwana bethu angeke sibayekele basafare because lokhu sikenzela bona thina sizondlula sihambe but abantu abazosafara abantu abazosala nama president abo okonko kuzobe kuyibo and they will be sidelined kuzobe kuyibo ama foreigner in their own land. So we must try and prevent that from happening. I still say ukuthi asibazondi but sizonda indlela abeyiphethe ngayo mebefika la eCountry, i-arrogance yabo you know sebefila ngathi they are too entitled, bayibona ngathi bona iSouth Africa actually belongs to them, bayibona ngathi they've got all the right to be here, ingathi siyabakolota mhlambe, you know, i-government I always say ukuthi they must come clean basitshela ukuthi yini abayithembisa the other countries ukuthi bazobayenzela yona because la it's clear i-president ne-president kulamalanga ba-prioritize ama-citizens wabo owethu nje othi nje no masicala sithi siyasiveza ikhanda ufuna ukushaya sibisele phansi athi xenophobic sama-vigilante, you know, uPresident Ramaphosa uye owayenza ukuthi abantu basibuke ngenye indlela. Yes, thina we are radical and thina kakhulu sisebenza nge-action more than talking. Asabhilivele intweni zasema-ofisini amatafuleni, yes ukukhuluma kuyafuneka kodwa nje I think sesidlulile leso stage sekudingeka ku-action-ke manje okwangempela but ngizoyehla kancane for now.
Siyabonga. Usisi uZandile uthe ungokuzalwa eSoweto. So othi akasho ukuthi uvelaphi ukushilo eqala ukuyichaza and uthi onenkinga ofisayo ukwazi ekhaya kukuphi, I mean uzalelwe kuphi, uthi iya eBaragwanath Chrisani Baragwanath uyochecka ama records ila ezalelwe khona. Ikhathi ke eziningi bakwethu khona nabafisa ukwazi ubabwakhe kulungile ukuthi discredit i-campaign. Let us look at the legitimacy of the campaign. We do have the problem as the country of illegal foreigners in the country. We do have a problem. Let us first admit that there is no country in the world that will allow what is happening to this country. So singashaya ngathi kwesinye isikhathi si blind asilikhathi iqiniso silibeke eceleni mase siyaqhubeka ke namawongo wethu eceleni kodwa iqiniso sinenkinga undocumented foreign nationals either white Indian black ngeke sibe nabantu abangena amaphepha abaningi kangaka ezweni abanye bayazakhela ama-ID ingane bezishona ubuthaphu zidla ama-chips okuzakhela apho sisuja Sinta sithatha usibeke nge-March and March i-March and March ithema isisunguliweke kubalekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi ke Nkosi yami oDanarian batholaphi kodwa from here where to niyapi mangabe ngelinye ilanga kunezwi eliqhamukayo lokuthi nilekelelwa kwini niyapi iloko besicela ukuthi usilekelele usicacisele kona ngicela uvule imic yakho sesuJacinta
Ngiyabonga ngibonga kakhulu I think ngicela nje ukubuyela emuva kancane khona sizoba neclarity kancane ngizwe uJobe eraise ama points athize ekhuluma ngokuthi masikhuluma ngabo kufika asingakhulumi ngabamnyama kuphela ngiyaye ngizwe abantu abaningi beliphakamisa leliphuzo bese umbuzo wami uba sekutheni uma uthi illegal immigrants kukephi la ekushiwo khona ukuthi African ngoba phela mawukhuluma ngama illegal immigrants ukhuluma ngawo wonke umuntu ola eSouth Africa ngokungemthetho and lokho ukubona ngokuthi ngisho sihamba siya eindaweni ezithize ngisho nawo ama South Africans ngisho abekuthiwa umnyama noma ngabe unjani nawe siyakubuza ama documents akho nawe siyakucela ukuthi uziprovide iproof yokuthi ungubani are you in the country legally etc. So lena efanele sisuke nje kuyona ile yokuthi kwathina sisodwa silokhu sibuyiselana emuva ngokwe language esisebenzisayo. And I'm very specific mangikhuluma nge-language ngoba enye yezinto ayikhulumile ukhulume ngokuthi la eSouth Africa njengoba sila kumele sikhulume isiZulu. I think enye yezinto ekumele sibe very careful ngazo lezo because kulesi space esikusona we're gonna end up sifeeder into ama narrative lawa abantu abathi sizothi siqede ukula nama foreigner bese silwa sodwa sibanga ukuthi samaXhosa namaZulu nani because that is irrelevant. It's irrespective ukuthi Xhosa Zulu whatever if ungangena umuntu la kule live ethi ufuna ukukhuluma ngeSixhosa for example or akhulume nganoma yini uzomela simamkele lo muntu and sometimes ilanguage yesingisi masisebenzisa it's not ngoba sibukela phansi ubuZulu it's because we understand ukuthi sama culture ahlukahlukene and isuka kwindawo ehlukahlukene but in this fight kumele sibe munye we need to speak one language and by that asisho ukuthi sikhuluma isingisi cha sisho ukuthi izinto esizishoyo kumele zihambisane sisonke. Also ngifuna ukubuyela kukubaluleka ukuthi sihlangane sibe united njengoba nje sisila into esengiyibonile abayimasterishile abantu bokufika iyona leyo ukuthi ba united which is one thing thina esihleshe sihlukaniswe ngayo because ungathola ukuthi uzwakele ngobe la ngizwenza example ngozwakele ngoba he's one of the people engimthembayo when it comes to leadership engazi ukuthi lento engishoyo it doesn't apply to him angisho kodwa ukuthi abanye bekho njalo sengizama ukusebenzisa example eseduze uzwakele if yena ezuzwakele once ukuthi lento ibe ngaye he will move away from ukuthi intention yokuthi silwe nabantu bokufika iyini egcine esenaka ukuthi yena njengozwakele abongwe apraiswe sinake sithi awuzwakele kwaze kwa this and that njengoba sihlangene nje njengala if sonke sizohlangana sifuna ukuthi si highlight siqhakambisa ukuthi mina njengoJacinta ngaqala iMarch and March and iMarch and March iyona enzu ABCD angeke size siphambili njengamanje Jobe ngifuna awakasekho unfortunately ngifisa ukuthi yena athi mina njengoJobe ilento engifuna ukuyenza ukuze sinqobe lempi sizohlangana ngokuthi senze kanje. Whether umuntu uyi-political party or whatever, at the end of the day iyodwa into esihlanganisayo kulempi ukuthi sama South Africans. Ekubeni yama South Africans sineyingane esizozishiya la, and lezi ngane esizishiyayo sizoyishiya ukuthi ibhekane nezinqumo ezathathwa yithina. Ngihlale ngisho ngithi inkinga yethu ke thina abantu sithanda kakhulu ama political parties size sikhohlwe ukuthi si defender into ezobuya isale nathi in the future. Ngoba njengoba somama sobaba singabazali sineyingane ekuyizona ezophila ngeenqumo ezenziwe yithina. Now ama politicians ngiyaye ngiyibuza ukuthi njengoba so persistent ekuthenini most of them sometimes they don't do what they're supposed to do because becabangela imali or whatever yanamhlanje. Ukuthi what happens in the future sengasekho ke ubaba or uma or politician. And now impilo yami sibheke mina as ingane politician, and zonke lezi zinto eziyinkinga seyibuya ishaya mina, whether it's the drugs, whether it's ilento ye service delivery, whether ikole lezi egcwele etc. If future bona mabehleli, do they not see yini ukuthi the decisions that they're making right now have a huge impact on the future of this country? And that's where I want to appeal to our politicians. Now, you know, as izinto we understand, understand because they are not within impilo yakho. But if ungakaze uye clinic because une medical aid, you can't then make the best decisions for abantu abahamba ama clinic. You need to go to the people abasebenzisa ama clinic and get the truth from them. Musa wenza because when you went to Nigeria and then came back namavumelana nama Nigerian ukuthi you want ukuthi protect abantu babo, they'll give you a certain amount of money, then you come back and you say isn't this ridiculous? The people that you're serving are not living the life that you are living. And Masbugi South Africa, the gap between abantu abanemali nabantu abahluphekayo is huge. We've got the biggest gap between the haves and the have-nots in the world. Therefore, abantu abangenayo imali la South Africa bahluka kakhulu kulabo abanemali, because laba abanemali ukubabone nawe bayawo LV baphila impilo ridiculous or private jets, but laba bahluphekayo bahlupheka kakhulu. So that's where the problem is, and one day labantu bahluphekayo will find a way of dealing with labantu abanemali in a very, very sad way, because they have nothing to lose. They really have nothing to lose. So we need to be careful ukuthi we don't isolate abantu ngalendlela ukuthi sima sibona si in leadership sitshela ukuthi we're going to be in leadership forever or sizoba kuleso simo sikusona forever. Now going back to the issue yama illegal immigrants, I've never angaze ngizwe izwe where you consistently have to explain why into wrong is wrong. The reason why kwaba khona ngisho immigration act echazayo about illegal immigrants iyona leyo yayiguide ukuthi umuntu ola eSouth Africa ngongemthetho kumele wenziwe njani, athatha deportwe kwenziwe kanje. But thina sihleli la siya negotiate nama illegal immigrants ukuthi ube kanje hayi bayekeni inkosi yami bayahlupheka, oh they are refugees and this and that. Kanti thina yini singanaki poverty yethu ngoba phela we are currently the country ekuthiwa is the highest with unemployment in the world. But thina sisafuna ukuthi thina scaterishele ama illegal immigrants, scaterishele even ama refugees or whoever it is from outside the world. Why sicabanga ukuthi sinawo icapacity yokwenza lokho? Why sicabanga ukuthi sinama resources ukuthi sikwenze lokho? Because asinayo leyo mali. We don't have that ability. Ama resources ayashodela thina si South Africa. Yet we want to accommodate 27 million other people. And you know, masubalalele labantu, the reason belwa kangaka ukuthi bahambe la eSouth Africa is because bayazi ukuthi bane freedom abangayithola emazweni abo. That's why ngeke beze bephindele futhi emazweni abo bayolwela izwe labo ngoba thina we made them too comfortable. Baza babona ukuthi hayi ngeke la isekhaya, and thina kumele sithole impilo engcono okudlula ama South Africans, which is one thing that we need to fight for. Ngoba njengoba beqhamuka bezo replace thina ke sibuye sibuke lento njenge ethnic cleansing. where kuzoqedwa yonke into ewuZulu kuzoqedwa yonke into this and that sekufanele kube khona lento ye mix yabo lento baqalile nje kuthiwa khona ama Southgerian lento angazi ukuthi what is a Southgerian ama South Africans nama Nigerian kanjalo soon enough kuzobe sekugcwele lezo ingane more than they are isizwe esithile that is originally South African.
Unamanga wena ngeke ngaxoxa la Mzana bathi ubathatha imoto ubathatha imoto afakele ibhandi number 1 afakele
umuntu ebe South Africa. What happens to South Africa? What happens to the core of who we are? What happens to yonke into esiyiyo? Phekwalokho banamasonto abawa erectayo enza yonke imhlola le ngiyabo ama rituals esiwafice enziwa ayathusa, and these are things that are supposed to be scaring us as South Africans every day. Akufana ngabe khona iSouth African esalokhu i-comfortable ekuthenini yona ibone ngathi lento illegal immigration ay affect ngoba is affects us sonke, believe it or not. So as much and much we are saying ukuthi lama issues maningi kakhulu. Ngeke futhi ayikho organization la eSouth Africa eyodwa engaqeda yonke lenkinga. There's not even one. The only way we can make this work is if all of us come together and we fight this. And we need to fight it through parliament. That's why some of our brothers and sisters abakhona la, it's appreciated ukuba khona kwabo la ngoba siyabafuna bese parliament, siyabafuna be leader benza ama decisions, because that is what we want. Sifuna abantu ababa patriots lapha parliament. Asifuni ukuthi kube khona abantu abazohlala eparliament kodwa bebecabangela bona. That's why it's very important ukuthi sipushe lama political parties nama organizations acabangela ama South Africans. So asike sibuke ngenye indlela nabavote inkosi yami for a change abake bemakancane lento ukuthi ngithanda usibanibani. Uma umthanda lo sibanibani mlalela ukuthi uthini meyikhuluma ngeSouth Africa, mlalela ukuthi uthini meyikhuluma ngefuture eSouth Africa, because yena into ezoguide leyo ekuthenini ukwazi ukuthi mawuvota uvote kahle. Asike sime kancane ukuthi mina ngazalwa ngo1942 abantu balokhuza bafela inkululeko, because labo bantu abayifela inkululeko abasekho right now, and some of them that claim to be here are not fighting for the survival of the country. Sesidlulile kwi-history manje, we need to look forward to the future of the country and forget about yonke into that was spoken in the past. Let's focus on the future. And if Leo organization eyalela inkululeko ngo1940 ba ithi yona izokwazi ukuthi inakekele South Africa, then yes, by all means vote for them, but vote for political parties abalwelayo izwe labo kuqala. That is more important than anything. So also sesikhuluma nje as much and much kadubuza ukuthi mhlambe what is it that we want to do going forward. Sinenkinga la yokuthi abantu bokufika they are becoming too brave. Sebeyathanda kakhulu nokusidelela in our own country. Bayathanda kakhulu nokusitshela ukuthi bona bayindawo kanjani. Asikwazi ukuthi sibe nabantu abanele yonkululeko kulelizwe. And it's going to take every single South African ukuthi ivuke emaqandeni. Njengoba nje nibona abantu abasho bebhizi bephuza benza ama drugs kunama weekend amakhulu kupromote iTV, ayikho nje into eTV constructive mawuthi yabuka kuhlezi kwama reality show izinto engathi shu, kodwa izinto ezibalekile. They want to make sure ukuthi asispend isikhathi enough sinake zona lezo zinto, so bazokwazi ukwenza lemkhuba le yade belokubenza all these years. So now that sesivukile amaqandeni sesinezinto esikwazi ukuzirecognize ukuthi no man, this is not right, asivuse nabanye. Akube khona ama weekend amakhulu, yes asiphiki, but balansani phela, ukwazi ukuthi ufocus kwi weekend enkulu kuphela bese ungakwazi ukubalansa phakathi kwalokho nezinto ezibalekile ezenzeka ezweni lakho. So therefore we are asking again ukuthi njengoba sesila thina sila ngoba abantu abala, I do believe ukuthi abantu ababalekile who know what they want to, who are watching because they want to be informed and they want to learn. These are the important conversations ekumele siyigxishe kubantu. Fana ngabe izona izinto ezidlala ku TV lezi o clean governance sibone ukuthi what are political parties doing, boba nobani must account, but ngeke uzuyibone lezo zinto because kunalokho imedia yethu ngenye inkinga ke sibhekane nayo, because we've got a problem with our media where they want to sell us izinto ezama narrative azohamba ebhebhethekisa izinto ezingazona, because siyabona nje lokhu kukhulunywa indaba zokuthi lezi zinto zabantu bokufika, but abayikhuluma indaba enkinga kubantu bekufika ukuthi banobugebengu labantu ba stretch ama resources kunalokho bazowenza abantu bokufika kuba ngathi bona ama victim ithina ama vigilante this and that. So it's very important ukuthi as South Africans we stand by the truth and we stand for what is right, ngoba ngisho ne media yethu yayibona ukuthi sisebenzisana nabathize ukuthi paint a certain narrative. So let us continue to fight for this country, but more than that ngoba ngisho ukuthi aspende isikhathi sethu sispreada ungakhathali ukukhuluma lento ama illegal immigrants, ungakhathali ukukhuluma indaba ye corruption, ungakhathali ukukhuluma ukuthi sino president ongayinaki izinto ezibalekile la eSouth Africa. Mephume hamba la eSouth Africa, ubuya nani for South Africans? Lama business trip akhe awani, are they for him or are they for the country? Because at the moment ngiyozungitshela ukuthi upresident ongathi kuthiwa kushona ingane ezu20 zibula ama spaza shop, isolution yena aqhamuka nayo ukuthi azothi la ama spaza shop awa register. Ase registiwe ke, what does it do for the children that have been killed? What are you doing about the children that have died because of ama spaza shop? Just namhlanje kade ngifunda iarticle eshoyo ukuthi kukhona ama ring la ama Somalians ukuthi wona lawa ahamba phambili when it comes to lento yelokhuza yama tax shop, but akugcini lapho sebekwazi ukuthi banama billion abathola from our own governments bakwazi ukurana lama spaza shop abo. How are we giving away billions of rands to people we don't know to run a spaza shop business that doesn't benefit this country? Leo mali yapi? Also, I read another article, ilokhuza iZimbabwe mekuthiwa bashodelwe imali, they run to this country bezowenza ama heist, and we've seen that ukuthi njalo kuhlale kwiborder kubanjwa ama explosives azowenza illegal mining, azowenza into ezithize lapha eborder. Why are we allowing Zimbabweans ukuthi babe in and